through. And we'll be heading back to New Haven. A little quick sightseeing here in Greenwich, so we can see all the people who got the money, because it ain't us. Dark as hell. Out. Catching all four of these dudes ahead of me. It's all good. I'm bringing up the rear. Four-man group ride. Like I said, Facey was a gentleman in the front, riding one of the BMWs. Had a video he was creating for his job. Then we have Bones behind him. Bones is the videographer himself. He does his thing here and there. He also got the BMW, different one. Not sure what the differences are. We got my boy Anwar, Mr. Stokes. Stokes Track with CT, the voracious podcaster, and he's riding the Yamaha Striker, and I got me riding the V-Rod Night Rod 2000 level joint. Bones was on the way down. Bones was riding behind me. He was like, "Yeah, that's not happening again." He said it's too loud, which is funny. But it's all good. Like I said, I'm bringing up the rear on the way back. I got the less experience riding, even though I've been riding, I think, about 8 years now. I don't know how long these gentlemen been riding, but they're all good dudes. Got love for them. Yeah, like I said, this is Greenwich. I don't know if you can see some of this houses. Keep doing our thing. I wish these fools had communicators. We could probably have a little chat, but Stokes over here being a cheapo, he don't want to put the money into it. It's all good though. I can't be spending somebody else's money, so he gonna decide what he wanna do. We're gonna see if this video even come out, because I changed up the settings. Look at this. Easy enough ride. We going back. I think on I don't know if we're going to take 95 or the Merit. Merit probably most likely. Greenwich. Look at this place. Look, all that stone front. Look at that. Look at this one. So hopefully next year, next riding season I should say, I'm going to try to put together, get serious about motor vlogging. I've said several times it's not the easiest thing to do. But yeah, maybe come up with some scripts or yes, ideas of what we're really going to do, because right now I got really nothing to talk about. So what am I going to talk about? Other than the camaraderie, I can't even say the word, the fellowship that sometimes you know, all the time, that if you rock with dudes on some bikes, yeah, you're gonna get some connection with each other. Yeah, yeah, this dude need to get back at Face is taking a long way around. He like, what in the hell? He sight saying. But anyway, the fellowship that you get on these riding, it's great, man. Like, I barely know Bones. I met him a couple times, but every time we ride, it's like good money. I don't know nothing about this dude other than he rock good. Man, look at that. Damn, that's a big house. That's definitely a mansion. Look at this shit. He got walls up. It must be Trumpville. He got walls up. They like, you don't even want to see you. But anyway, like I said, the fellowship that you get together when you start riding, man, it's really good. And you just connect with people on a different level, man. Like, people like enjoy each other's bikes, even if you don't rock with that kind of bike. Like, I have no interest in those Beamers, neither one of them, but they're dope. Like, their functionality is like nobody else. The functionality of those bikes, like, you go anywhere. You fit anything you put in the car, basically you can get in that thing and you travel with. And they both have moderate sized bags, but there's definitely bigger bags and tour packs for them. Look at that. I don't know if it's coming out in the video, but just because of the angle and, you know, probably the bullshit blur that's going on when I turn my head sideways. But man, the fuck. It is gated community, not even community, gated house. Yeah, it's a different life. I think we spoke about this on another on-purpose video. While I was out in another high sedity area over in Yeah, I forgot where it was. Lime, Connecticut, I believe it was. Where it's just like so much money in these places. And we can't touch any of it. Yeah, so we're taking the mirror back. And crawl into this little space. More traffic than we expected. I guess it's Saturday. That's to be expected. Saturday afternoon. The mirror is they considered a scenic route. Look at this dude riding. Got the Carrera, Porsche Carrera. I gotta switch positions, so we'll do that once we get going. Person was mad. Yeah, Bones is like, nah, I'm not getting behind Onward's bike neither. This bike gets as loud. Actually, this bike's probably louder. I think his got a deeper tone though. you ride this area probably in a couple weeks, there's gonna be mad colors over here. It's because of the fall here in Connecticut. As you can, if you, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they get starting to turn. There's a little bit of orange and browns, but still a long way to go. A little warm for the leather, but this morning it was freezing. So that's another problem with here in the fall, riding here in the fall. Like, it's like, woo, you freeze in 1 second, in the afternoon you're warm as hell, and if you're still out late you're cold again. So you have to ride with the leather. They got bags like the 2 Beamers, then you're good, because you can always drop your jacket in your bag. But you ride naked bikes, but naked, yeah, nowhere to put your stuff except back on your body. This is a long ride. I'll probably montage all this. So with that said, let's play some music and see if we can create a little something out of this. All right, here we go.